The following message is transmitted by the request of the Portland Police Department. Since we see this creature, call it SCP-20357. SCP-20357 came out of the SCP Foundation. If you see it of the SCP on your window, quickly and get hide. This man, when he got blurry eyes, his jaw was very long, and he's super creepy about this of the SCP. His black body was 19 feet tall, and he has claws on his hands where he killed people. And we have a person was 12-year-old child named Gabriel Jones. By scientists did that when it turned him into a SCP. And if you see this SCP was breath on here, it has black smoke was got on his throat. If the black smoke was getting on you, it's gonna get it on your eyes and your mouth. Since when it gets your mouth and your eyes, it's called 20357 Apocalypse. If you see this SCP creature, call SCP Foundation. Quickly, stay turned it on the station until further notice. No! Ah! Ah!